Hello everyone, Miss Katie here. I am here to share with you our second pre-K adventure kit. This one is called Magnet Mania, and we have our nice instruction sheet here. And what you will be getting in this kit is your own magnet wand. Now with the magnet wand, we have a variety of activities that you can do. For example, we have these wonderful, colorful fish that you can go fishing for. Yay, I caught the purple one. And we also have these pipe cleaners that you can use to style the hair of your magnet wand. So, got some cool hair going on there, a little spiky, very nice. You can also use your magnet wand to test out what items in your household are magnetic. So, let's see. Wow, we have a pencil here. Let's see if the pencil is magnetic. Tip, no, not so much. Top, also not so much. Very surprising. So that is the magnet wand. We also have on the instructions a way to get to our YouTube page, and that will have an explanation of how magnets work, as well as some cool demos for you. So we hope you have fun with Magnet Mania. Bye!
Hey everybody, Missy Zolda here. I'm going to be showing you guys what you can expect from our second adventure kit, which is called Luck or Skill. So the first thing you're going to get in your adventure kit is a nice little half sheet here with all the instructions for how to use your adventure kit, and it's going to also give you some instructions for games you can play with what you're getting in the bag. So you are going to get a lovely container full of playing cards. And if I can open them, you'll get a whole bunch of playing cards, and then on your half sheet will be instructions for the game of War that you can play with one other person, and then on the back side there will be instructions for how you can play Go Fish, and then you can also visit our YouTube channel to see videos of us doing some magic tricks. So hope you enjoy your next adventure kit, have a fun summer, and enjoy your day.
Hello, this is Miss Mallory with the Junior High Adventure Kit, the DIY Donut Pinata. This is what the bag is going to look like, and I'm going to show you what is inside. So first, we have instructions. There's instructions on the front, and then instructions with pictures on the back. We'll also have, you get a little bag. Inside the bag is the crepe paper you're going to use to do all of the decoration around the piñata, the sprinkles, and the paper that you can cut out to look like frosting. And then we also have the cardboard templates. So you'll get two circles that are both the front and back of the donut, and then you will get an edge piece that you will make bendy and then tape around the edges to create your frame. And that is it. Have fun making your donuts, and we can't wait to see what they look like.